June is Men's Health Month, and that includes increasing awareness about men's mental health.
TV5's James Felton spoke to a couple of Michigan State police officers to find out what they do to keep their mental health in check with stressful jobs. James?
I met these police officers at the Basketball Cop Initiative in Saginaw, and while community events like these aren't in a stressful environment, other aspects of their job are. I spoke with one Michigan State police member who is part of a commercial about mental health.
As someone that is a first responder in our community, it's important that we become those leaders and become those voices for people that don't want to step forward and talk about mental health. It's one of those things that is still stigmatized, and we have to make sure that we get it to the forefront, that we talk about these things.
Corey Hebner is a community services trooper with the Michigan State Police. He tells me he just finished being part of a commercial to raise mental health awareness. Hebner says his job creates stressors that could stay with him for days, weeks, months, even years. So it's important to know how to reach out for help if you need it.
You can do a personal thing where you contact maybe a pastor or counselor, whether it's through work or just in the environment, or there's a whole lot of apps out there right now that are linked to mental health professionals, and you can communicate on the app. That way it doesn't feel as personal, and it's just a way for you to explain to somebody what you're going through, and they can help you with that next step, because that next step could be scary.
Hebner says men in particular should not hold any reservations about seeking help. It's important to do a self-check and look out for anything you may be doing that would be considered out of the ordinary.
We have to make sure that we take care of each other, and when we see things that aren't right, you got to say something, because if you wait too long, it could be too long.
A New York Times article from last month says, according to First Help, a nonprofit that has been collecting data on police suicides since 2016, it says that at least 184 public safety officers die by suicide each year. I also spoke with the Michigan State Police Tri-City Post commander. He tells me mental health resources are available for his staff, including professional help and a canine therapy dog. Back to you.
Thank you, James. And remember, if you or anyone else you love is struggling with mental health, help is just 3 numbers away. You can call 988 to reach the 24/7 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. There you can speak with a professional, free and confidentially, for any support you need.